Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRCW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely great move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going into next week? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $4.90. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $4.90, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above $4.90, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the overall move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How are you going to best visualize that? You know, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 490 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward here. Several times the price tried to get up above that 530-ish mark and just couldn't quite do it. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price will not have to travel very far distance at all on Monday to resume battle with that level. So again, if there's no gap downs, very small distance, and then the bulls can once again start banging on that door, and we'll see if they can get the breakout or not. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice looking chart, and as long as the price continues to just chip away and build higher lows over time, this overall uptrend will only get stronger. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.